You gonna race me?
Yeah.
Okay, race me.
Hey, no, run.
Hold on, we'll try something. This is the sports shutter mode. Come on, go fast. Let me see how fast you can go. I'll race you.
Over here.
I'll race you.
I'm going faster. Oh, look at that.
You're doing it.
Almost.
Almost there. Let me help you. Here. Wait. Let me break it loose first.
Make everything loose. So we can get it. So,
Sorry.
looks a little like ice in there because it's cold outside. It's March now.
Sissy's still trying to get some here.
Woo!
Here, wait. Let me cut it up. Look out. Let me cut this up so it'll come out. Look out for it. There you go.
It's my turn, that's enough.
Yes,
Maddie would have a whole nother pumpkin to do.
Yeah, you get, that's your pumpkin there. This is Sissy's pumpkin.
Yeah, I'm going to do mine and she can do hers.
Okay.
But that's enough.
Sweetie knows a bunch of stuff. We're going to get all of it out.
Sissy, that's enough.
Keep going. I'll get hers going
You
here.
get the junk out of your pumpkin.
Here. Here.
This is mine. And that's a little one. Oh. And that's for you.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. And I do all by myself. Sissy has enough.
Oh, yeah, she's got to get it all out. You got to get it all out.
She can get all that. I can get all of that. I can help her too with my hand. No, you can't. Yeah, you should feel it.
You can?
No, it's not.
I've felt it before.
What's this?
What'd she say?
Not with my hands with this.
You
Can
don't
you
want
get
to
it?
use your hands?
No, it feels
The
like.
ground will grow a pumpkin.
Yep. Ew, gross. Hey, I'm growing my pumpkin.
You can grow your own pumpkin.
Yeah, I'm a spoon.
Use this. This is better. That's kind of dark. That's okay.
I mean it. Boo, and I mean it.
Let me do this. It's a little better. Look at me, Brett. There we go. Okay, now stay there.